Hey everyone, this is Tim from Eurosec Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Steam on your PC. So Steam is pretty much like Xbox Live or PlayStation Network, where you can, play things on your computer and you have access to a store and a friends list, and it's very convenient. And there is a lot of free-to-play games through here too, so you don't need to go and purchase things right away. But we can go on down now to just Google Chrome or whatever browser we're using. Go to Google and just type in Steam, just like this, and press enter. And it's going to be the first link. Now the URL will be store.steampowered.com. So that's the actual URL to get here. So let's go to this first link. And you can see this little symbol right here. And that is the one we're going to want to go ahead and pick. Now when you get to the Steam page, there's going to be an install link in the top right. Install Steam. Click on this. And then install it on your Windows device. Now you can also get this on your Apple computer, your Steam PC, and I believe on Linux too. So we can go to here and install it, and it should be downloaded in the top right. Click on this. So it should open up now. Go to yes when that popped up for the permission. Go to next. Choose your language. Go to next. Do an install folder and install it. Now it's shutting down Steam right now, and it will start installing on your computer. And then you're going to have to create an account and sign in. Now, I believe you can just log in right here on the web browser version, and you can create an account before you have it installed. So just go to this, and you should be good to go. It says, help, I can't sign in. If you don't remember anything, down here it says create an account. Go through with the email address and password and confirm it, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.